Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to do a line review on the JC Curl line of products. Alright, I think I got pretty much most of their product. I got the shampoo, conditioner, dip conditioner, and then I got the gel and their what they call rocking ringlets, which is like a leave-in conditioner, I want to say, kinda. All right, so I'm gonna start with the shampoo conditioner. I have washed and conditioned my hair with their shampoo and conditioner. This is how the bottle looks like. You can find their products on Amazon. You can actually find all of these products in my Amazon store, and the link is in the description box below. All right, so let's start with the shampoo. They call it a gentle ladder shampoo. It is sulfate free, and they say it will not weight your hair down. That is very true. So it is, the substance is more like a clear gel type of shampoo. It looks like a clear gel liquid. It has a little bit of lather, but not too much, and it does a really great job at getting all of the excess product out of your hair. It doesn't leave your hair too dry or brittle. It still leaves a little bit of moisture, but not too much. And it rinses off very well. The smell is citrus lavender, which is the smell for the whole line of product. I personally love this smell. I love lavender. It's my favorite fragrance of all time, and they just add a little bit of like orange citrusy. Is it really orange? I'm not sure, but it's like a little citrusy smell to it, and I really like it. Once the shampoo was rinsed out, I apply the conditioner. Now the conditioner does a really good job at replenishing your hair with all the moisture that you need. It leaves your hair very silky, very soft, and it takes a little bit more time to get out of your hair. Like, you will feel the conditioner in your hair for a little while. So what I do is that I put the water a little bit warmer and try to really rinse it out. Once I was done with the conditioner, I applied the dip conditioner. So this is how the bottle of the dip conditioner looks like. The dip conditioner has the same smell. It's it's intense pampering for dry hair. I put it from mid-length down. They want you to put it between 30 minutes and half an hour in your hair. I personally don't have the time for that right now, so today I applied it for the remaining of my shower. And trust me, I just came back from a workout and I just wanted to be under the shower for like ever. It smells like a mask, a thick mask type of substance. It's really hard to take out of the bottle. The smell is lovely, and it does a great job at hydrating your hair, but personally I would prefer it if they could change the packaging, put it maybe more in a jar or something that's easier to get the product out of than this. Apart from that, great product. Okay, so this is the current state of my hair. It's starting to dry because I've been out the shower for about half an hour now. So it's still wet, but it's starting to, you know, feel dry. So I'm gonna spray my hair with water and water only, and then I'm gonna apply their styling product. The two styling products that I have are the Rocking Wrinklet Styling Potion. What is this on my hand? So the Rocking Wrinklet Styling Potion and the Styling Gel. This is what the bottles look like. Alright, so if you guys follow me, you probably saw my video from last week where I talk about all of my favorite products for spring summer 2019. If you have not seen it yet, I will link it right here for you to watch it. And in this video I talk about the Rocking Wrinklet, but I completely forgot to talk about the gel. And the gel's the bomb. Like, it's really good. So today I'm going to apply both. So with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and style my hair, and then I will stop. You know, I'll do the usual things: fast forward, stop to tell you stuff about it, fast forward, show you the end result and my impressions. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so right now what I can tell you is that the styling portion, like I mentioned earlier, it's it's very rich. So like just like you saw, I didn't put a lot because I want to make sure I'm not weighting my hair down. I just want a little bit of help with the formation of my curls, but I don't need my hair to be weighted down. So I put the bare minimum. Now moving on to the styling gel, what they call Spiralicious. And here's what the bottle looks like. I showed you that already. Again, I'm putting a little bit more this time, and it looks more like a cream gel than a gel alone. All right, my loves, I am all done. I am done diffusing my hair. What can I say? My hair feels super hydrated but not weighted down. I do not have a lot of frizz. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I don't really have a lot of frizz in my hair. I have a lot of shine, which I really like. My curls are nicely defined and kept together. I only hand curled the crown area of my hair. Everything else is crunched. And look at, I got some pretty nice wrinklets that with my hair that's just been scrunched. So the rocking wrinklet really works. Yeah, I mean, I'm loving it. My hair does not feel weighted down. I love the smell. Oh, I really love the smell. The only problem I have is that the rocking wrinklet is really heavy for fine, wavy to curly hair. I wish that they came up, or maybe I'm not familiar enough with the brand, but I would love to have a lighter version of this, because if I put more than one drop on each side, then my hair is greasy and weighted down. I'm already borderline greasy. You see it? I don't know if it will really show. It's hard because the camera beautifies everything. You would have to take my word for it. One more thing that I don't think I mentioned earlier is the ingredients on the styling product. I am really loving that. I think that's why I am persistently trying to get the right dosage on the rocking wrinklet, because I rather try to make a more natural leave-in conditioner work for my hair, than default to something that I know will work, but then the list of ingredients is like so messed up. So this, and also if you saw my previous video, you probably know the list of ingredients of these products are, this rocking wrinklet is pretty clean. But if you haven't not seen that video yet, and again, it's linked right here, like the top 5 of the list is flaxseed extract, glycerin, jojoba seed oil, aloe vera, leaf juice powder, sulfate, but it's like magnesium sulfate, lavender flower oil. That's just like the top 5 or 6 product. I'm sorry, I have a hair in my on my arm and it's tickling. So that's for that, and that's why I really like this product, is the list of ingredients. Now let's talk about the gel, the styling gel. The styling gel has water, of course. It has that polyquaterium 69, which makes gel I'm assuming. They have jojoba oil as their 3rd ingredient, lavender flower oil 4th ingredient, sweet orange peel oil expressed is the 4th. Is it 4th or 5th? Grapefruit peel oil, and it, you know, the list is not very long, but I can visualize what those ingredients are, as opposed to other product who has ingredients that I can't even begin to pronounce. So that's another factor that I really like about this. And the cherry on top is that the bottles are 100% post-consumer plastic. They are all recycled plastic. Loving it. So yeah, I'm not mad at the end result at all. I just wish that there were a lighter version of the the rocking wrinklet. You know, JC Curl, if you're watching my video, can you please make a lighter version? If you do have it, can you please email me or send it to me? I would love to try it for free. All right, you guys, I am done with this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. Let me do a close-up on my wavy to curly fine hair. That's the other side. Et voilà. Let me show you the back. Voila, my love, I am all done with this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any questions. And subscribe if you have not yet, you guys. What are you waiting for? Hello. But voilà, that's that. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.